Hey everyone, we got another great build for you today. It's the night bus from Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Now, this is set number 75957, and it was originally released in 2019. It retails for around $39, but I think you can get it on Target right now for a little less. Now, this kit has 391 pieces. It comes with 3 minifigures. Harry Potter, of course. Also looks like we got Stan Shunpike. And then there's a third minifigure. I'm not sure if he's just a customer of the night bus or the original bus driver, who I believe his name was Ern. Anyway, it looks like we get 3 bags, a sticker sheet, and then, of course, the instructions. So let's get started. All right, just finished bag number 1, and it looks like we have the first level of the bus pretty much complete. I'm glad that LEGO designed the kit in a way that easily allows you to access that interior. Having that whole wall be hinged is going to work out great for getting your minifigs into the kit. Let's get started on bag number 2. And another bag finish. Looks like we have the second level of the bus coming together. Not much here, really just a single seat and then open into the first level. Let's keep going with bag number 3. And we're finished. It was a pretty easy kit to build. We were able to put it together in just under an hour. I love that the bus is modular, so you can remove the roof, the top section, and then open up the entire side of the bus, again giving you easy access to the interior to place your minifigs. It's a great addition to the Harry Potter line, and I'm satisfied. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel if you would like to see our future builds.